This is the Alphacool Eiskoffer Basic Bending Kit, and inside of this nice hard case is a set of tools designed to help you with your measurements and your mandrel bends inside of your computer. Included is a manual which describes the parts and gives you an example. But to start, you have a set of silicone tubing inserts, and they are designed for your 10mm and your 13mm inner diameter tubing. Along with that, you have a tubing reamer, which allows you to clean up the inners and outer edges of the actual tubing when you make the cut. You have a set of multi-angle mandrel bend pieces, which are designed to be mounted on a piece of wood and then used in line with the other pieces in the kit to give you different bend angles, whether you need a 90, a 60, 45, whatever. This allows you to make those different bends at different angles. Now they have different radiuses, as you can see written on the inside here, and different diameters. So in pair with that, you also have a set of arc mandrel bend pieces, which are just circles, but have different radiuses, but allows you to get a different and tighter bend created depending on what degree angle that you actually need. Along with that, you have a set of straight mandrel pieces, which have a metal stylus which is removable, but allows you to measure out the different thread depths of your hard tube fittings. Depending on how long you need your tube, you can mount the stylus that allows you to make sure that you get a perfect measurement every time. You have the end pieces, which allow you to insert, again, your tubing in either the 13 or 10mm size tubing, and allows you to manipulate it from each end. You have your wood screws along with the washers that allow you to mount all of these pieces together on a piece of wood. And last but not least, you have a set, of keys that allow you to actually lock the kit when you are done and want to put it away. But what we will do is now show you a quick example on how to use the radial arc and the multi-mandrel arc. In order to use the tubing reamer the correct way, what you will do is use the pointy end for the inner diameter and the other end for the outer diameter. What you'll do is you'll work your way on the inside and then do the outside in order to make yourself a nice flush chamfer all the way around the edge of your tube. Simply insert the tube to the pointy end first. Make sure you blow it out and get rid of all of the flakes that have dispersed into the tube, and then you'll switch around to the other end. Blow off that side as well, and then you'll have a nice, clean, smooth cut. Now that that has been securely fastened to the piece of wood, we're going to fasten the two end pieces here. Because we're doing a 90-degree bend, we're going to use this, the straight piece with the stylus. I've already marked out that the fitting is about 6mm to 11mm deep here. So we're going to butt the piece of tubing right up to the end of it here, and make sure that that is where our starting point is, and we'll bend it to this other side here.